DCE Solar is proud to announce our new partnership with Axial Structural Solutions, combining forces to revolutionize the solar industry and drive down cost. Together, we're setting a new standard in innovation and reliability. Introducing the Tracker Twin, a revolutionary dual-row tracking system designed for maximum efficiency and durability. With streamlined installation and advanced tracking technology, it optimizes solar energy capture throughout the day. This partnership is built to provide a reliable system with a cost advantage, ensuring developers achieve exceptional project value. Axial brings industry-leading expertise with over 12 gigawatts of solar structures installed globally, delivering proven performance and trust. Additionally, DCE Services will perform the turnkey installation from foundations, racking, modules, electrical, and commissioning. Elevate your solar projects with the power of collaboration. Axial and DCE Solar, engineering a brighter, more sustainable future together. Contact us to learn more about the Tracker Twin and our innovative partnership.